Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Steve and Lori here, and we're going to show you some things you can do with your living water in order to get more acidic and more alkaline water than what you would normally use for drinking purposes, right, Lori?
Yes. So with this super button here, it'll go to 11.5, and that water will come out the bottom, and the top water here will come out acidic water, 2.5. And we will show you how that's done. So what I'm going to do here is then I'm going to open up this little cap here, and there's a tube, all right? And you can see this tube is empty. And what we're going to do is fill it with some of this water softener salt, all right? So you see it's filled up, and you just move it around until it seats. Just kind of wiggle it with your finger.
If you don't get it dropped
there
in,
you go.
then
You'll see
the lid won't fit on.
Right, so there it goes, and now the lid will go on. So I'm going to turn on the the super water. It says super water right there. When I turn this on, let it run a minute. Okay. And first I will start out with the acidic water. What you see here is acidic. All right. And then the bottom port here is the alkaline. And how are we going to show that? By putting the pH drops in. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, you can tell right away with those pH drops what's on the acidic scale and what's on the alkaline scale.
All right. So here's what you're going to use this water for. The 11.5 is for cleaning your vegetables. You could actually soak your feet for detoxification purposes. And then the 2.5 is for cleaning metals, cleaning counters, and is antibacterial as well. So this is not just for drinking. It has, you could make 5.5 for giving for watering your plants. You have 7.0 for drinking when you're taking medicine, 7.0. 8.5 when you first start drinking the living water, because you don't want to detox too fast, because this is antioxidant to your body. And then there's 9.5 and 10.0
for drinking.
Yeah. 9.5 and 10.0. So you have 7, 8.5, 9.5, and 10.0 for drinking.
All right, so that's not everything you need to know about the living water, but it'll help you with the acidic and the alkaline. And Lori wants to tell you what that's for.
So if you want to make more than a couple pints of either alkaline or acidic water, you could order this tube, and the top comes off and you can fill it with the same salt. Or you could get the water softeners pellets, the bigger tube.
Yeah, and that'll make gallons. So if you're going to clean your kitchen floor, your countertops, and bigger jobs, then you want to use something like that, and it's pretty cheap.
Yes.
Okay?
Right.
So thanks for joining us. I hope this is helpful. As always, you can reach out to us for questions, okay? Thanks. Bye for now.